Want to turn a simple leaf into a standing landmark layout design? Let's create it step by step in Photoshop. As you can see, we have a leaf image and a layout graphic PNG. Open the leaf image in Photoshop. Right click on the empty area and enable the contextual text bar. Then click remove background. Go to the layer panel. Right click on the leaf layer and select convert to a smart object. Again right click and choose rasterize layer. Next, click on the adjustment layer icon. Select solid color and choose white. Drag this white layer below the leaf. Now select the leaf layer. Choose the rectangular marquee tool and select half of the leaf. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus J to split the leaf into two parts. Now open your layout image in Photoshop and resize it properly. Place the layout between the two leaf halves. Then right click on the top leaf layer and select create clipping mask. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorial.